Hey everybody, Jimbo here. Well, just a little update on the move situation here to Florida, on what's been going on in the last week or so. There's been a lot happening inside the house. Been doing a little bit of remodeling. You can see right in the back right there, I've enclosed a doorway there to convert that into a window. I'm doing a little bit of modifications in the laundry room area there, give us a little bit bigger of a laundry room. In terms of the building, the new building, the 30 by 55 building, it is still in plan check. One thing about Southern California versus Florida is things just are a little bit slower here, but the people, I gotta say, are a lot nicer. And I don't mind sacrificing a little bit of time for some friendly people. You might see in the background there, I have purchased a trailer. I did not bring my trailer with me out here, so I purchased a small little utility dump trailer, and I use that a lot for around the place here, miscellaneous things. I think I'd mentioned I had a whole bunch of tree trimming work done on the last video there. That looks really nice, and out to the golf course right there. Kind of cleans things up. It's pretty nice. I had a couple comments in the last video about how the drain, the downspouts were extended way into the yard, and people couldn't figure out what that was all about. It seemed like that was too long. The problem I was having is a little bit of flooding here. As you guys know, in Florida here, it rains almost every afternoon, and I'm not talking a sprinkle. I mean, it gets down to some business down here for a few hours, and the water, the drainage around the property is not real good. So I've extended those, temporarily extended those downspouts out into the yard to prevent flooding around the house, and a lot of water was being trapped around the house. So I currently am working on the drainage system here. Things are dug up right now. Got some drain lines going in, and there might be a little bit of a dispute on how to handle drainage. California, things are a little bit different. I would have used 6-inch SDR 35 solid, catch basins everywhere, tied the downspouts into that. But here in Florida, things are a little bit different. The ground is mostly all sand, and so what they recommended was 6-inch perforated corrugated pipe, corrugated fittings. So that's what I'm using for the main drain. And I'm tying in some 9-inch catch basins, 7 of them, in different areas around the house here. And then tying in all the downspouts using 4-inch this corrugated for the downspouts. So that's currently what's been going on here. Here's just some fittings that are put together and getting ready to kind of drop in the ground. That's happening tomorrow. I'm also pouring a little bit of concrete in the laundry room area there, and a little concrete pad. I'll take you over there outside the doorway here, show you what's going on. So yeah, let's check out this material. This is sand. This is literally sand, and I don't know if you can see it, but that's about 24 inches deep, and it's sand. This water, man. It rains, it just soaks right into the ground, which is good, but I still want to solve this issue I have up against the house with the downspouts, get everything tied together. Right there, I'm pouring just a little concrete pad outside the door right there. It was some rocks or some, stepping stones type of thing. I wasn't a big fan of that, and it wasn't a very good job. But that's mainly what's been going on here. You can see that I have got a big pile of rock right there. That is going to be part of the drainage. They're going to put down a bed of rock first, and then the pipe, and then rock on top of the pipe, and then topsoil on top of that, and get it back to grade level. So that's what's been happening here. A lot of stuff inside the house, getting things squared away. Still working on a kitchen. Cabinets are coming next week, so hopefully pretty soon we will have a kitchen and have things all put back in order there and be living properly. But until now, I got all my barbecue equipment and everything. A lot of stuff happening out here. And let's see. So that's basically about it on the new update. I hope. I think I mentioned that the plans are in plan check for the new building still. That's probably going to be a couple more weeks, and then I'm expecting some revisions on that. So then a couple more weeks. So unfortunately, I don't think I can get to pour any concrete for probably 3 or 4 more weeks, which is kind of a bummer because I'm really missing my shop. I need to get back to work. I need to get my shop in order so I can start doing what I enjoy and bring you guys some good content. I'm looking forward to that. But for right now, this is the situation. There's my truck, the front of the house. And I think I did mention what is really cool. I really can't get over it. It's just so different. I don't know if you can see it. These oak trees just line these streets in both directions. It is pretty awesome. All right, I just wanted to bring you guys a short little video and give you a little update about what's going on. And hopefully on the next video, you'll see some progress. All these drains will be in place, the concrete will be poured, and maybe we can even start the foundation for the new shop. So looking forward to that. I want to get this video out here. It's about ready to rain here shortly, like usual. Go Florida. All right, guys, thanks for all your support. I truly appreciate it. I've been getting a lot of good feedback from you guys on the move. People are interested in seeing what's going on. I really appreciate that. And here pretty soon, we get the ball rolling and we get some really good content. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Until then, I'll see you on the next one.